In through the nose, out through the nose or mouth. Once you roll the wrists a few times, make fists with each hand and then roll them out, going a few times in each direction. Shake them out all together, relax your arms by your side, gaze forward. Inhale, lift your arms up, lift your gaze. Exhale, little bend in the knees, fold forward. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, step to plank. Pause for a breath in, push the floor away. Exhale for the first one, we'll go knees down, bend the elbows, lower chest and chin, and then slither forward, come to lie on the belly. Inhale, lift the chest for a cobra, little back bend. Exhale, push back for a down dog. Pause and hold for a deep breath in. And exhale out. And then look forward, take baby steps, walk the feet forward. Inhale, lift your chest halfway. Exhale and fold. Inhale, arms up, lift your gaze. And exhale, relax your arms by your side. 2 more times, a little bit quicker now. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, step to plank. Pausing for 2 breaths this time. Gaze down, relax the neck. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale. This time we'll lower through chaturanga. So you could lower the knees if you're modifying, or slowly rock forward as you bend the arms, lower down. Inhale to cobra, maybe going a little bit higher with the chest. Exhale back to downward facing. Pause for a deep breath in. Press through the hands, send the hips high. Don't worry about the heels grounding. With your breath out, hop or step to the top of the mat. Inhale, lift the chest halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms up, stand up, lift your gaze. Exhale, relax your arms by your side. 3rd and final time. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, step to plank. Pausing for 3 breaths this time. Gaze down. Focus on pushing the floor away. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last breath. Inhale. Exhale, chaturanga, lower with control. This time you could come through to cobra or up dog if you're feeling warm enough. So thighs off the mat here. Press the tops of the feet into the mat. Inhale. Exhale back to downward facing. Pause for a deep breath in. Exhale, step or hop to the top of the mat. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms up, lift the gaze. Exhale, relax your arms by your side. Good. Shift the weight into the left foot, hug the right knee into your chest. Pause. Focus the gaze on something that isn't moving. Inhale. Then as you exhale, hands come to prayer. Send the chest forward, hinging from the hips as you extend the leg back, coming through warrior 3. Hands could always come down for support. Pause for a deep breath in. With your breath out, carefully lower the back foot. Arms up, inhale, high lunge. Exhale here. Press through the back foot, pause for a breath in. This time as you exhale, lean forward, rest your belly on your thigh, arms reaching towards the top of the mat, gaze down. Pause for a breath in. Exhale out. Hands come down to the mat, push the floor away. Lift your knee in towards your nose. It's okay if the foot stays on the ground. Pause for a breath in. Exhale out, step to plank. Hold for an inhale. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale to find your back bend of choice. Exhale back for a downward facing, pausing for 3 breaths here. So maybe now that we're a little bit warmer, you can edge the feet further away, find more sensation on the backs of the legs. Keep sending the weight towards the feet. 1 more breath here. Inhale. Exhale to step or hop forward. Inhale, lift halfway. This time, exhale, fold forward. Bend your knees like you're sitting back in a chair. Arms up, inhale for Utkatasana, chair pose. 3 breaths here. So let the heat build. Shift the weight back through your heels. If you're arching your back, try to find more of a neutral spine. One more breath in. Exhale out. Straighten the legs, relax your arms. Second round for this sequence. Hug the left knee into your chest. Pause here, find a place to focus your gaze. Inhale, hands come to prayer. Exhale, lean the chest forward as you extend the leg back for warrior 3. Hands could always come down for support. Pause for a breath in. Exhale, carefully lower the back foot down, arms up. Inhale, high lunge. And exhale, pressing through the back foot, arms reaching up. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward, rest your belly on your thigh. Arms reach forward, gaze down. Pausing here, inhale. Exhale, hands come down to the mat. Push the floor away. Lift your knee into your nose. It's okay if you use the foot on the floor for support. Pause and hold for an inhale. Exhale, extend the leg back, step to plank. Exhale, good. Inhale here. Exhale, chaturanga. You could always lower the knees. Inhale, find your back bend of choice. Exhale, back to downward facing dog. Pause for 3 breaths here. Option to stay in stillness or find any movement that feels good. Final breath in. And with your exhale out, step or hop forward. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale to fold. Bending the knees now, sitting back in a chair. With your inhale, reach your arms up. Find Utkatasana chair pose. Again, just checking in with the lower back. If you're really arching, find more of a neutral spine. Shift the weight back through the heels. And pause for an extra breath. So 4 in total. 2 more to go. One more. Inhale. Exhale and fold. Good. Inhale, lift the chest halfway. Exhale, step back to plank. Pause here, hold for a breath in. This time we're going to pike the hips up, push straight back to downward dog. Inhale to lift the right leg high, opening out the hip. Exhale to bend the knee. Then bring the knee to tap the back of the right arm or as close as you can. Inhale, lift the leg back up. 3 leg down dog. Exhale, bring the knee to tap the back of the left arm or as close as you can. Inhale to lift back up, opening back out. 3 leg down dog. Final time, exhale, bring knee to nose and step the foot through. It's okay if you need a couple steps to get there. Spin the back foot open, with the arms up for warrior 2. Pause here. Trying to get the front thigh so it's parallel to the mat. You could always edge the back foot down the mat to do this. Pause and hold for a breath in. Exhale out. Flip the front palm open. Inhale, right arm reaches up, lean back for reverse warrior. Left hand can rest on your leg or wrap behind the back. Pausing for a breath in here, keep bending into the front knee. Then with your breath out, right forearm could rest on the thighs, the left arm reaches overhead. Or you could bring the hand down to the mat if it's not too restricted. Turn your chest open, gaze up, inhale. Exhale. Then keeping your upper body in this position, try to use your core to hold you here as you reach the right arm forward. So it can be quite challenging. Stay with me as we reach and hold for 3 breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Final one. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Lift up back to warrior 2. Spin the back foot open. Bend both knees, sink the hips down for goddess. If the feet are a little bit too wide, you could always edge them in and cactus the arms here. I know the legs are getting tired. Stay with me, sink the hips down. Pause for a breath in. Exhale out. One more breath in. Then exhale out, straighten the legs, relax your arms. Bring feet in parallel, hands come to hips. Inhale, roll your shoulders back. Exhale, hinge from the hips, fold forward. Hands can stay on hips or hands could come down to the mat. And we'll take the next 3 breaths here. Just relax your chin towards your chest. Lengthen the back of the neck. Bringing the weight through the toes as well as the heels. Pause for one more breath in. Exhale out. Good. Then walk your hands towards the front of the mat. Turn to face forward. Step to plank. Inhale here. Exhale, chaturanga. Knees could always come down.